Welcome guys, this is Fetuga Majid and I'm glad that you are here. If you are watching this video or you are getting to this channel for the first time, kindly please smash that subscribe button. I beg of you. And one of the things you are going to get from this channel, from this video, is how to use this free tool. Of course, there's a paid version of it, but we are going to make use of free tool of Canva to design our logo, our images, our content. Okay, so many things you can do with just this free tool. Okay, the first thing is, if you are just coming online for the first time to use Canva, you just go to canva.com. okay, the link would also be in the description. Let me just write it here, canva.com, and that is as simple as that. Just enter that into your browser and you need to just sign up. You are going to sign up with either your Google, your Facebook, or you just use any email. Okay, if you are going to make use of your Google, it's going to automatically sync with your Google account, likewise that of your Facebook. But if you have a customized email, then you can probably, like in my own case, admin@mojidfetuga.com. okay, then you can do that and you verify from your email inbox. Haven't done that, you would have to log in into your account. Yes, this is my YouTube channel, I'm just growing it. Kindly put that time out to do the honors. Just click the subscribe button. I wish you all the best. So in this playlist, just on a side note, I have complete video guide on Facebook for businesses, and there are so many opportunities available. And as people are asking questions about other tools that can be of benefit to them, I do video to explain that, and the videos are available on the channel. So let's get back to Canva and see how you can create some simple, beautiful content, and you can do this on a free tool. Of course, you have to have your internet connected and you have to have your data. But that being said, you can just start with getting the framework. You can make use of templates. So in this case, I have signed in my account, and of course you are going to see all the designs you have already. Then you can definitely start creating any of the designs that you want. But then you have a lot of templates available for you. If you are into social media, then you want to become a social media manager, you want to be creating content for social media channels and what have you, you can easily just come here, pick any of these templates, and you just work on. Okay, and if you have if you know your dimension, the dimension of the content you want to create, you may just skip all these and click on create a design. If you do that, you can pick a custom design, give it your width and your height. Let's say this 100 by 100, that means it's going to be a round figure, or you can pick any of these recently used sizes, and but in your own case it may be nothing. Okay, so you just need to click create new design. Now you'll see that it actually created a new interface, a new account. This was the place I started with, and it has actually created a new tab. Okay, the first thing I want to do is to give it a title. Now we have untitled design 100 by 100. I want to give it a title, Canva class training, and we know that this is 100 by 100. Then there are suggestions for me making use of this same box. These are suggestions. I can click on see all. Of course, don't forget that Canva also has the paid version of it, but you can actually move away from all these and say, let me build everything from the scratch, and I want to do it just setting it up myself. So you don't need the templates. And the second option here is upload. Okay, upload means that I can actually go to another image, like free images, like I always use Pixel. Okay, where you have free images. Let me just pick any of the image for probably teaching. Let me use this teaching. Okay, I just want to search for images on teaching, and I think I'm going to make use of something very cool. Okay, I think I will love this, and I will just click on this download button. Immediately you do that, of course you have to shout, give a thanks to the author, to the provider of that image. You can just copy this and you share on your social media channel thereabout. Now the image has been downloaded, and the next thing I want to do is come to my Canva, and I go to upload. Under upload, I want to upload an image, and I want to upload from my device. Okay, I want to upload from my device, or I want to upload from Facebook, or let me explain that finish. I want to upload from Google Drive, Instagram, Dropbox, and what have you. And another thing, I can just click from my device, and it's going to pop up my device. Then I can just search for that image, pixel, something like that. I have to just search for that, and once that image is located, and I will just be able to make use of it. I think this is the image. Yes, this is the image. I click on open to upload, and voila, see the image being uploaded. Now for all these services you would have to make use of the internet, okay, but don't forget the fact that it is very, very cheap considering the resources you are going to make use of. And I can just drag and drop. Let me just bring that one here. I can just increase it. I can zoom it out. Okay, and probably this is the main image. I can also create elements. Okay, now I've gotten through upload. You can upload your content. Now photos, of course, there are free photos available. Those free photos you are going to see free, and these are free photos. Let me just click on any of these free photos. You are going to just have it downloaded immediately, and you can click on the photo. You can come to your position here, and you say, let me send this backward, and let me just increase or decrease or just zoom back, and the results of this content will be this available shown area. So all the hidden will not be shown if you are to print this out at the final result. I'm just giving an example. So you have free photos, and don't forget we also have some paid photos. Let me see if I can see some paid photos. The paid photos, you are going to see a watermark on it, and that would show that it is paid. And let me just skip that because of time. Now we look at the elements. Now elements can be the sizes, the shapes, the arts, gallery, the shapes, the frame, the stickers. Okay, you can just pick on a sticker and just resize that and just bring it. Now you will not forget that this sticker is a GIF format, so probably you want to make use of this on a moving what's called content, probably a video content or thereabout. You can make use of this. But if it's going to be like a sticker that would we also have grids. Now when you make use of grids, it's simple. Anytime you click on grids, anything you put within the grid would take the shape of that grid. Okay, you have gradients, and you can actually pick some aspect of it, and you just put on the sidewalk. Okay, and you can now put transparent. Oh no, I want to set this gradient as transparent. Okay, good. And you can see no, I'm not using this grid. Let me delete the grid. Okay, delete the grid. I wouldn't mind. I'll just go back up and just put the images back. Okay, and that is one of the things you can do. You can just play around with the recent one that I use, which should be up. Any recent used picture will be at the top, and you can just zoom out and thereabout. Let me pick this and take it to the back and put the take it to the back. Yes, okay, something like this. Okay, and even with this, you can also put a shape. Let me pick another shape and give it a color. You click on this color and pick a color, and that is as simple as it may be. Then you can even put a transparency on it, and haven't done that, you can click on, we are through with almost 4 icon tools. Now let us pick text. Now the header text, let me say learning is fun. Okay, learning is fun. I want to increase this size to like 50. Oh wow, that is big. 36, 16. Okay, let me put it somewhere here. Wow, yes. Now as you see this, it's all about creativity, it's all about ingenuity, and you can do so many. You can use sub-heading, little text. You can use some of these features. And of course, if you are creating a video, okay, video content, you can make use of the music. You can add music at the back. Let me just click on any of these. There are free music you can add at the back. This music is added. You can click on play and it's automatically plays. You can see, and that is how, if you want to create a video or a moving content of this with Canva, you can do a lot with this. Let me delete the music. Now of course you can also upload video content, and I will do another video tutorial explaining how you can focus on any of these tools and make use of it. Then video, just click on the video. You can add another page. Let me add another page. There is add page at the bottom, so you can add as much page as you want, and you can duplicate the page. By this you can duplicate the page, and you can give the page a title. Now the content is Canva class. You can also give the page a title, and you can delete the page. You can do a lot of things within that time frame. So probably you want to do a video and you want to put a video in the middle, and probably you want to work on the background. Here you have another menu here that has to do with the background. Let me put this at the background. I just click on this recently used, and oh, that's a color riot. Let me pick this rather. Okay, and see. Okay, I think this is still somehow easier to understand. Okay, it works. Now this how you can just start creating your content. And of course, if you have other folders, probably you have some purchase items and purchase images and whatever, you can have it here. Then you have more where you can integrate some other applications. Like now you can integrate your Facebook account, your Instagram, and you can use the pixel.com that I actually used initially. Is also part here, is available here. Then you can also integrate to your YouTube and some of these tools, whereby you can create a content now, and instead of you downloading, if you are through, once you are through with your content, let me delete the second page so that I take this as my content. Okay, once you are through, the next thing is you can share with so many people. Like if I have emails of somebody and I want to share this content with, I'll enter the email address here, Mojid Fetuga, Fetuga62 at gmail.com. Oh, so that you share with the person and the person takes that. And of course you can also share that on this platform. You can share on Facebook page, on Twitter, on a Facebook group. So you can do a lot with Canva, and you can integrate so many tools with Canva. And you can just do the way we do, like you just click download here, and you take a file type. It is suggesting that you should make use of PNG, which is very, very okay. You can also say, no, I don't want PNG version, I want JPEG, or I want PDF, I want PDF print, I want it to be in video, or I want a GIF. So like in my own case, I only want what's it called? I only want PNG. Now, if you want a transparent background, then you have to click on this tool. That will give you a condition. You have to make some payments. This icon here shows that it's only when you are using the pro version, which is a paid version, that you will make some payment. So having done this, you can just click on download, and by doing that, you have your content downloaded in a very short minute. And you click on it, you open it, and that is that. Okay, just 10 by 10. So that is what I've actually done, and you can do a lot more with this tool. I personally love using it for my YouTube thumbnails, and I started using it, trying to improve on it. Sometimes you just use it to create, like you can use it to create a movie. Okay, and let me just play this, and that we used to round up. Now when you click on play, now you can see each slide had been edited, put together, so that you just have it at a click. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides in all. Why is it? What happened to my internet? What happened to my internet? Okay. You can see the slides, you can see the movement, animation, transition, and what have you. And you can do some little things with this, even as it is. And you can really send your content. You can create your content with just working and messing around with this free tool. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, or if you want to learn more about the details, step by step, how you can do anything with Canva, please put in the comment section. Let me read from you what you really want, and I'll be able to add more value to you. And if you are new to this channel, or if you are just watching this video for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button. It's going to do a lot for me, and I say thank you for doing that. Okay, till next Tuesday, when I will be uploading another video on tools, tech tools, digital tools. I say thank you and all the best. And of course, I'm going to put another video that will help you on some other topics in web development, digital marketing, content creating, and I am saying thank you and God bless.